Nature walk. Okay, first of all, if you see dead plant, it's not.
Poor dead plants.
It's not good to just do that. Let's walk on.
We're not happy with this. We need to sort this out. Nature is one of the most important things in the world.
Okay, here we go. Right here, we've got something called spin the car. Okay? And these are lovely to see.
Get close up to them.
Okay.
Oh, you just threw it at the camera.
I know. Okay.
Can I have the camera with me?
Okay, right, next we have.
Oh my goodness. Bring it close up, Sarah. Bring it close up.
It's kind of dying.
Oh no.
Dead, really. And I think we should just
Stand still.
give respect for it and, respect it.
Oh dear.
Okay.
Let's walk on. We'll go a bit further here, up here.
I'm going to walk up here to these lovely plants. As you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous place and colour. Okay. We have these ones. Actually, they're dying at the end because it's at the end of. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're called Kinky Akakaka.
That is amazing news to know.
Oh, here.
Rosie. We're going to walk the short way for Sarah and the long way for Rosie. Because last time, it was the vice versa.
And let's walk.
That's our old school dinner lady up there. She's hot. She's so pretty.
Right, okay, next we have.
I'm really sorry if you're just getting me in it.
Okay.
Because I can't actually help it.
Gorgeous, alright.
Gorgeous plants, babe.
Right, fine. So you have to follow me here. And I'm really liking
Louder.
that order plant. There, that's a good plant. And just a bit further here, babe.
You know what it's like, babe?
You know what it's like.
Yeah, babe.
She's like grandma. You ready? She had an old lady come up to us. She's a fan. Old lady come up to us and she said, you know what? I've got one of them new phones. She likes funny. She's a fan of our program. Okay, next one. It's like, oh, gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. Beautiful flowers.
Okay.
It's a texture.
Little weirdo you are, Rosie.
That is just it. And it's like myself.
Walk a bit further.
What's his name? That's when Sarah. This is our reporter.
Hello, James.
Hello, James. Welcome to our next
Best friend for life, James.
Why? Okay, would you know how this plant is, please? Would you this plant say? Or maybe you tell the plant outside your house. Okay, well, wait.
Do you remember that? We're like outside your house.
Would you like to describe your plant? Chelsea? Very, very happy.
Okay, we'll leave the orchid alone.
Hello.
Hello there, Rosie.
Hello, Sarah. Oh, look, she's still behind. Following us. She doesn't like it.
There's Emily. On her bus.
Okay, if you wait for James, you can start at plants like by his house. Okay?
I think we should leave it there for today, Emily. And there's the bus.
There's the honey in the bar.
Yeah, I love the car.
He's not following us, please, James.
Them boys. They're terrible. How dare they?
I don't understand. He's still following us, Sarah.
It's James. He's James or Sarah.
He's following us, Sarah.
Oh, right, I understand that, yeah. Get Rosie.
Hey, where's his house?
Up there. But we're going to have to leave it.
Where's your house? We'll find out anyway.
So, this is a bit mean now, Rosie.
Oh, fine then.
They've got a bit on camera, you know, and... James, we'll love you and leave you, babes.
Well, that's his house, isn't it?
See you later, sexy.
That's James' house.
People are loving it, mate. Bye, baby.
I feel like show today. And you'd like to give thanks to Sarah and Rosie, and especially
To our James Chrysler. Our best mates for life. And our hungry body. That was wrong. Sexy body boy. That's sexy boy.
Alright then, well,
That's sex.
okay then.
Sexy.
Well, next thing, we've got on some great shows. Some great plants, maybe we'll go into
Hope you enjoyed our
the extra plants, that's extra planting. Okay, we'll see you
Hope you
again
enjoyed
next
our
week.
trip. Thank
See
you.
you next
Bye.
week. Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
See you next week.
On banana. Oh, no, not banana. What is this show?
Nature. The Rosie and Sarah's nature
Rosie
show.
says that show. Bye.